All right, here's what I got. Forney 20P easy weld plasma cut. Got my air hookup on. I'm running about 85 pounds. Go ahead and cut it on. Metal's grounded. Sometimes I get a little spark, but I ain't getting that one. Try a different piece of metal. Put that there. Got some 1084 knife steel. Alright, piece of 1084, got good ground, and you'll hear the machine click right there. That's all the spark I get. If you listen, you can hear it sounds like relays clicking. But that's all I'm getting, and that is a brand new. The spare I had. Let me shut this off. And that tip is hot. Get me some pliers too. All right, so you can see there's the tip or the cone. Take it off. That is a brand new tip. Now it's sparking back here. Unplug this thing. This wasn't burned up a while ago. But you can see it's burning up back in here somewhere. I have to order the whole head. But that's what it's doing. If you can see down in there, this piece here is burning out now. All around in here, which makes me think it's something back that way. Okay, and here's with it open. Hopefully it'll get a decent picture of it. It's got carbon in this hole here. But this is burned up now. And it wasn't like that a few minutes ago until I put a brand new diffuser on it. And you can see where it's already heated it up.